Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Zapier to Airtable. This powerful integration allows you to automate countless tasks, saving you precious time and effort. Zapier acts as a bridge, linking Airtable's flexible database capabilities with thousands of other web applications. You can set up automated workflows, ensuring your data is always where it needs to be without any manual intervention. Let's dive into the steps to get this powerful duo working for you. First, let's set up the trigger for your automation in Zapier. A trigger is the event that starts your Zap. You'll begin by creating a new Zap and then selecting Airtable as your trigger app. Next, choose the specific event in Airtable that you want to monitor, such as a new record being created or an existing record being updated. Finally, connect your Airtable account to Zapier, granting the necessary permissions for seamless data access. Now, let's configure the action step of your Zap. This is what happens after your trigger event occurs. You'll select the application where you want the data to go or what you want to happen. For example, you might choose Airtable again to update a record or another app entirely. Then, map the data from your Airtable trigger to the corresponding fields in your action step, ensuring all information transfers correctly. This step is crucial for a successful automation. Finally, it's time to test and activate your Zap. Testing is a critical step to ensure everything works perfectly before going live. Zapier will run a test, showing you exactly what will happen when your trigger fires. Review the results carefully, and if any adjustments are needed, simply edit your Zap. Once you are confident, turn your Zap on and let the automation begin. You've successfully connected Zapier to Airtable, saving you countless hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.